Hi all, so welcome back to a new मस्ती की पाठशाला on Google Earth। तो हम आपको आज दुनिया के दूसरे कोने की सैर कराएंगे और आज हमारे पास एक दूसरे दोस्त हैं जो हमको दुनिया का दूसरा कोना मतलब बोलते हैं यूएसए या बोलो अमेरिका वहां लेके चलेंगे। सो लेट्स वेलकम अवर न्यू गेस्ट टुडे। He is Mr. Mulang. Hello, Mulang. How are you?
Hi, I am Mulang.
कैसे हो मुलैंग आप? How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm good, Mulang. So, where are you taking us today, Mulang?
Going to visit America.
Oh, that's nice. So, we are going to visit America. Okay, so let me open our Google Earth so that we will be able to go there. Just give me a minute. Let me add you and Google Earth together. So, Mulang, what are the places you will cover today for America? Which cities or countries you want to cover?
Oh, I wanted to keep it a surprise.
Oh, you are very smart. So, okay, so we have left you in our last Masti Ki Pathshala at Sydney Opera House. So, you can all see हमारा last Google Earth Sydney Opera House Sydney पर है. So, अब यहाँ से हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो मुलैंग बताइए कहाँ जाना है मुझे Google Earth को बताना पड़ेगा.
Let's go to California, San Francisco.
Wow, so we are going to California. Okay. Okay, California, US. You are taking us to US.
Yes.
Okay, so see, we all are moving. Our Earth is moving from Australia. We are moving and we are coming down, and this is California. California is a western US state, stretches from Mexican border along the Pacific for nearly 900 miles. So you can see California. We are in California. And
Yes.
from here, Mulang, you want me to take you to San Francisco?
Yes.
Okay, so what is so special about San Francisco?
In San Francisco, there is a very beautiful bridge. It's known as the Golden Gate Bridge.
Okay, I can see the Golden Gate Bridge on the screen. So we are going down at San Francisco. So this is the San Francisco city. And I think
Very
point,
beautiful.
this point is the Golden Gate Bridge. Okay, I can see Golden Gate Bridge. So let's go down and see how it looks. So when I press this plus button here, I will be able to go down. So we are going down in the district, and as he said, he wants to go to Golden Gate Bridge. Okay, so I'm going down, taking you to Golden Gate Bridge. Okay, so let's write down in search box so that we exactly go there. So instead of this, we will write we want to go to Golden Gate Bridge. What is the color of Golden Gate Bridge, Mulang?
It's kind of red, but it's called Golden Gate Bridge. I don't know why.
Okay, so let's type Golden Gate Bridge. Golden Gate Bridge. Okay, I got it. So हमें गूगल वहां ले चलिए गोल्डन गेट ब्रिज के ऊपर. Oh wow, we are at the bridge now. Can you see Mulang?
Yes, but it's taking some time to load.
Yeah, I think it is taking some time to load. So I can take you down. So we will click on any of this and we will be able to go down. Let's go down. See, we are coming down and we are going at the Golden Gate. We have just come down at Golden Gate Bridge. So this is over the sea. We are over the sea. So let's go a little
Oh
bit
yeah.
up. Yes, now you can see we are really watching the Golden Gate Bridge. This is an iconic art opened in 1937. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. Now we can see this Golden Gate Bridge. It's looking beautiful.
Oh yes. It's very beautiful.
It's big. It's huge. You can see this now from the top of it. And then when we go down, we can go down little bit. Okay, so this is Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. What is the next stop?
Let's go to Alcatraz jail. It's a very secure jail.
Okay, so it is an island.
Yes.
Okay, Alcatraz Island. It's in San Francisco only.
Yes.
So we are going from, oh, this is an island. And this is a
Yes.
jail. You said Mulang?
Yes. It's
It's
very
a very small
secure.
island. And I can see from the top that we have a lighthouse also here.
Yes, because it's in the middle of the lake or the sea, whatever. That's why they can tell the boats where to go.
Okay. So if you all want to land down in Alcatraz, we can go down. So here we go down. Let's go down on many of the blue spots. So this is, we are on the top of it. So we are ideally inside the prison if you see.
Yes, but not for crime, just for visiting.
Yeah, we are here for visiting. Yes, of course, we are visiting here. Oh, you can see the overview of it, and there at the base, you can see a lighthouse as well. And this was supposed to be jail and where people were put for काला पानी. तो जैसे इंडिया में लोगों को काला पानी की सजा देते थे वहां पे यहाँ पे भी इनको रखा जाता था इस जेल पे सजा के लिए. सो इट्स वन ऑफ व्हाट यू सेड बहुत टाइट सिक्योरिटी थी यहाँ की.
Yes.
ओके सो दिस इज ऑन आइलैंड. यू कैन सी इसके ऊपर लिखा भी है अल्कट्राज. ये व्हाइट वाले पोर्शन में आप देखेंगे अल्कट्राज लिखा है. Okay, what's the next
Yes.
destination?
Let's go to Los Angeles.
Oh, wow, Los Angeles, California. Let's go to Los Angeles. Los Angeles में तो वो स्पेशल क्या है वहाँ पे? I think we have Hollywood. This is city of Hollywood. All the foreign English movies. Yes,
Yes.
it is center of nation's film and television industry. So what are you
Yeah,
showing
there's
us?
a big Hollywood sign.
Okay, Hollywood sign दिखेगा हम लोगों को?
Yes.
Let's try. Go down and see that Hollywood sign. Okay. So we are going down, I think. Yes. So we are on the top of Hollywood. So this is a place where all the English movies get generated. And there is Walk of Fame. If we go down, this is a street where different personalities and celebrities comprises more than 2605 point terrazzo and brass star embedded on the sidewalks. तो ज़मीन में आपको स्टार्स दिखेंगे जो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट हॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज के नाम पे हैं. सो वी कॉल इट वॉक ऑफ फेम. ओके, तो अभी साइन हम नहीं पहुंच पाए. लेट अस गो एंड विजिट हॉलीवुड साइन ऑन द टॉप ऑफ माउंटेन. यस. So let us see how it looks. And it is also all locked down, right? Oh wow, we are on the Hollywood side. Can you see Mulan?
Yes.
So it is rotating. Let us see on a 2D. We are just on top of it. Let's go down a little bit on the other side so that we see it. Okay, now I think we will be able to see it is taking a turn. Wow, you can see that Hollywood sign. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay, yes. What else? Where you want to take us?
Let's go to the observatory.
Okay, you can have a clear look of it. I've gone little down.
Oh, yes.
Yes, and if you want to go down, I'll take you down as well. So let us see if okay, we have some place there. Let's go down and see. Oh, we can see some people there.
Why are there people outside? It's lockdown.
Okay, so this is not a real photo. It's not a real back camera. Google has taken these pictures later. Okay,
Oh,
so don't be afraid. Okay, so this was our Hollywood sign. Let's move to another place. Which place you want to go to, Mulang now?
the observatory.
Observatory? Griffith Observatory. Okay. There is a very big pendulum inside this observatory. It is a facility in Los Angeles, California, sitting on the south facing slope of Mount Hollywood in Los Angeles. You can see observatory now. We are
Yes.
on the
It's
top of the observatory. And in this observatory, they observe different things. So if you go to Wikipedia, you will see different things there. Okay, you want me to go down or we go to some other place?
let's go down.
Okay, so I'll go down and I'll pick up a trail so that we go and see the observatory real. Okay, so this is on the top of mountain. So if you
Mhm.
go and click this sign, you will be able to see. This is the observatory if you see.
Yes.
And if you want to go down, you can go down. And if you want to go little up, you can press this minus sign up. Yes. So this is the observatory. And they have worked on a lot of astronomical things, anything with related to planets and all. That is what they all used to do there.
Okay.
Or
Now let's go to Las Vegas.
okay, you want to go to Vegas? Okay, so
Yes.
let's put again. Bye bye, Los Angeles. Mulang is taking us to Vegas now.
Yeah,
So
let's go to Grand Canyon.
okay, Las Vegas. It is in city of Nevada.
Let's
Okay,
go
from
to Grand Canyon.
okay, all the way to Grand Canyon, or you don't want to see anything in Las Vegas? You know, this is famous for a lot of amazing hotels.
Yeah, there are very big hotels.
Yes, and amazing seven-star hotels. You can see Grand Canyon. I can around. Can you see on the left-hand side we have Grand Canyon?
Yes.
So I take you first. We go to Vegas and then we go to Grand Canyon. So let us go
Okay.
to some hotel there. Let us see. Uh, in Vegas, I think we have a strip, and
Yes.
that strip has all the hotels in the left and right side of it. So if you can see this, okay, we are going down. We are going to high roller. Let us see what is this high roller.
There is a hotel over in Las Vegas, and it has a roller coaster.
Oh, this is a high roller, is a 550-foot tall giant ferry wheel. So this is a ferry wheel. Can you see this ferry wheel? झूला
Yes.
झूलते हैं ना हम लोग वैसा ही झूला है ये. But it's very big, 550 foot. Okay, and what else we have? In this city, you have a small Eiffel Tower as well, I think. And
Yes. It's a hotel.
yes, and there is a hotel called Bellagio, which has musical fountain shows. Okay, so now we move to Grand Canyon. Land.
Okay. Yes.
Let's go to Grand Canyon. It's a national park in Arizona, I think, and
Mm-hmm.
it has Colorado River सूख गई और उससे ये पूरा बन गया. So it's an amazing place on earth. So if you can see, it's very deep inside और बहुत ही beautiful दिख रहा है ये ऊपर से. If you want to go down, we can go down and see.
I think Grand Canyon is one of the natural wonders of the world.
Yeah, it is. So let's go down and see. We are going down. Okay, so this is Grand Canyon, and we are going down in it. So we are just down on top of it. It looks like this.
Yes.
Yes, there are big mountains, there are deep valleys. So let's take a 2D view of it. So this is downloading, the image is downloading. It looks magnificent, isn't it, Mulang?
Yes. It's very beautiful.
And the beauty of it is that with Google Earth, we are able to view this Grand Canyon. See? Otherwise, we are
Yes.
sitting in Jaipur.
Even
How
in
can
lockdown.
we? And that was too in the lockdown. We are able to see, oh wow, it is so magnificent. Can you see? I'm going
Yes.
I'm going slowly up. Okay, this is more of a desert. Okay, so let's go to another place. What is your next place destination?
Let's go to Hoover Dam.
Oh, Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam. Okay, let's go to Hoover Dam. So from Grand Canyon, you are taking us to Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam is a concrete arc gravity dam in the Black Canyon of Colorado River. Oh, it is a big dam, and we can see water at one level. You know the
Yes,
concept of
and there,
dam?
yes,
So you very beautifully we can see that they are holding the water at one side, and with this
yeah,
dam we can see,
and there are,
yeah, say Mulang.
yeah, and there are turbines in there, and they make electricity.
Yes, and we can see beautifully that at one side how beautifully they have covered it so that water is holding on the one part of it, and on the other part they are just with the gates they can open with the turbine which they want to do. They can open amount of water whatever they want. They can generate electricity with that, right?
Yes,
So Google Earth is an amazing thing. That's nice. You
it's
want to go
very
down?
good.
Okay, let's go down and see the dam. Okay, so you can see the dam on the other side. So this is actually we have landed here.
Yes,
Okay, so let's move up. Which place you want to go now?
let's go to New York.
Okay, Statue of Liberty.
Yes, that's our first destination in New York.
Okay, statue. I'm taking you to Statue of Liberty from all the way from Arizona to Nevada, from Nevada to New York, Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is a colossal neoclassical sculpture on Liberty Island in New York Harbor in New York. So all the way I am in on the top of Statue of Liberty.
It's so beautiful.
You want me to take you down?
Yes, let's have a look of it.
Okay, so I'm taking you down. Okay, so I'm taking you down just in front of her. You will see how it looks. So we are just here. Okay, so this is to your Statue of Liberty National Monument. Yes,
Yes,
anything?
now
Any? Yeah,
let's go to Central Park.
I think Central Park is the biggest park we have in the world.
I think
Yeah, this is the New York Park. It is a very big park. It's an urban park in Manhattan, New York City, located between Upper West Side and Upper East Side. It is fifth largest park in New York. So you can
yes.
This is Central
Very
Park.
big.
I can little bit zoom out so that we see the vastness. You can see how big it is.
Yes,
Okay,
it's huge.
Mulan. Now you have taken me to Central Park of New York. I think before I close the session, I will take you to Central Park of Jaipur. What say?
Okay. Yes,
So here
let's
we
go.
go, Central Park of Jaipur. Okay, Viraj Road. So from this Central Park, I am taking you to the Central Park of Jaipur. You can see how beautifully Earth is moving. Now we are moving to India. We are landing and we are at Central Park of Jaipur.
It's magnificent.
It is magnificent, right? And here in this Central
Yes,
Park, you can have a lot of big sculptures. And I think this is Birla Auditorium where we are able to see. Yes.
yes, yes.
And this is Statue Circle. Okay, so it was a nice journey from Central Park, New York to Central Park, India. So, students, you are invited to go to Google Earth and see all the magnificent places you want to see. Thank you, Mulang, for being with us, for taking us in this journey of America, our next second part of Google Earth. And I look forward to looking India also, Mulang. So will you be there with me tomorrow for India visit? So we will see India tomorrow from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mulang.